Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the nicknamed God mode on your Windows 11 computer. So this works on quite a few versions of Windows, it goes back pretty far, and basically it just allows you to access some of the most important settings from just one quick page. So that's the whole point of it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So right click on a blank area of your desktop and select new, select folder, and now you want to name this folder what I'm going to have in the description of the video here, guys, so just go ahead and paste it in. So there you go, guys. Now that we have a folder on our desktop, if you just go ahead and double click on it, it should launch a bunch of shortcuts to different control panel items in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.